Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a realistic sand sculpture versions using Vividi AI. So Vividi AI is an AI-powered creative platforms that makes it that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photos, short drama agent, avatar videos, product photos, and many more. And in here, we will use these platforms to transform any photo into a creative, realistic sand sculpture versions. And if you want to try it yourself, make sure to click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Vividi AI, and then next, just go to Image Studio, and then just choose AI designs, and then upload the photo that you want to transform. For example, I want to choose this one, and then next just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to tweak it or create it, just feel free to tweak it or create your own prompt. And then after that, just choose your AI model. In here I want to use the dream, and then choose your ratio, and then next just choose your resolutions and click submit, and then just wait for the process. And okay, like this you can see it. Okay, like this the results, it looks so incredible, it looks so perfect like this. It's really like a sand sculpture, and I think it's so cool and beautiful at the same time. And okay, that's it. Maybe next you can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.